My secret to perfuming my home and ending cockroaches, ants, flies, mosquitoes, and more. To start, I will use only the zest of 2 limes. I'm using a grater to facilitate this part. Once I remove the zest from the limes, I will separate and place in another container for the preparation of the mixture. The acidity contained mainly in the shells act directly against insects and are the main item for this tip. The next essential item for this mixture is vinegar. The optimal amount for use is 1 cup. Always mix well when adding a new ingredient. The next item we will use in this mixture is alcohol. Only 1 cup is the ideal amount for this tip. As soon as we put the alcohol fully, we will mix well. The bactericidal effect caused by alcohol is indispensable in this tip and acts directly against insects. Once we add, we must mix again, and with this, we will already have our mixture ready for use. To facilitate the application, I will use a spray bottle, and for this, we have to completely remove the zest from the limes. I'm using a sieve, and with this, we will pass all the liquid to the spray bottle. If you prefer, you can also use a funnel to avoid wasting the mixture. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Christina Dawson from Ohio. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. With this, we can already apply the product. This advice is very suitable for application directly on insects, or also in places where you have problems with them. The most suitable is the direct application in the drains, windows, and doors, thus avoiding the entry of insects. But applying directly to insects is also very effective, easily killing ants and even cockroaches in a few seconds. Vinegar is an essential item to avoid the presence of insects in your home. With this tip, applying on windows and doors will prevent the entry of all types of insects. Tell me later if you got the result you expected. When applying this product in your home, I'm sure it will have a great result, as I have whenever I use it. And my house is insect-free. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.